Hi besties, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be showing you an easy way to remove dip powder. Before you begin, make sure your client's hands as well as your own are properly sanitized. Begin the removal process by using a medium to coarse grit hand file or e-file to sand the shiny top layer of your manicured nail. This will allow the acetone to penetrate the product much faster. Be sure to apply light to medium pressure to remove most of the color, as this will reduce your soaking time. To cut down on removal time even more, trim and file down the nail and any excess product. Make sure you brush off any dust and excess. Soak a lint-free cloth in acetone, then place it directly on the nail. Wrap the finger in aluminum foil to secure, and repeat on all manicured fingers. Now here's a hack. Wrap the entire hand in a warm towel and set a timer for 8 to 10 minutes. The heat of the towel will react with the acetone and speed up the removal process. Check on the nails for progress. If the product is dissolved, use a lint-free cloth to wipe away nail clean. If you have any leftover product, you can remove it with a cuticle pusher. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down below for us. And make sure to subscribe if you haven't already.